I got an interesting little digital microscope. This is the main unit of it. It has a screen that you can look at, and this is actually the digital microscope itself. This here is so that you can zoom in and out at a small increments, which moves the head up and down, and you can see it, but it moves at such a small increment that you can barely see it moving up and down. This is a nice little cover so that when you're not using it, this keeps dust and stuff out of it. So when you are using it, you want to go ahead and take that off. Super simple to set up. It just has one bar. This goes in here. This actually allows you to lock this in place here. And there is a lock on this side for this, because as you can see, I can move that up and down like that. And the reason you want to do that is because this fits down inside of here like this, and you just lock it in place with another thumb screw. So what's another cool thing is this whole thing is completely run off a battery or a USB off to the side. And if I turn it on, you'll see no batteries are on it. Another thing that was nice is on the side here, you can see there is a TF slot. And if you get your fingernail in there or something like that, you can see that it comes with a nice little SD card. It is a 32 gig SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and put that back in, and I'll go ahead and turn it back off so you can see what it looks like when it turns on. You see it automatically goes into a view to be able to start using it. Now, I just happened to hook it up to the USB on my computer, and when I do that, you can see that there is a memory, a PC, camera, and a charge only. So if I wanted to, I can use these buttons to go up and down and say, don't do anything with the USB, just use it as charge. Anything that's any images or things that are taken, because here's an image button, it'll go to the memory, or you can send it to your computer as a PC camera. So if you have something that's actually you can have something recording on your computer, and it'll export what's on here as a webcam or something like that, and then you can use it to pull in images that way. I'm going to say memory. I click OK, and we should be good to go. All right, so I'm going to unplug that. Now let's see if we can actually get this thing. I'm just going to put something underneath it, see if I can actually get this to get even close enough. It probably doesn't help that this thing's moving. Looks like I don't have it over far enough. There should be close enough, and now I should be able to zoom it in, and you can see that it's picking up like a microscope should. You can zoom in using a digital zoom. It looks like it goes 4. So up here it goes camera, video camera, and then if I click, it's actually recording. You can see the little record button, and then if I carefully zoom in, I can get a better picture of what's going on. So I could see this being great for somebody who's looking at collector cards or coins or things like that. I unfortunately don't have any coins on me, but this is my USB stick, and I can actually see the engraving right there. And then once you get it to where you want it, of course it stays there, but you can also lock this here, you can lock this back here, and it's right there. So now that one's a little bit lower, so I can go ahead and bring it down. And that's interesting to see the printing on that so close. And I've been recording this whole time, so I'm going to go ahead and click. And that right there is the recording of what I did. And it looks like it's at 1080p. You can see a camera down at the bottom. You can see that you have your SD card installed, and you can see the date and time on it. And of course, so as you can see, it works. So if you're looking for a simple, no frills microscope, can't really go wrong with it. I like how the screen is. You're not sticking your eye up to it. So check it out. It's pretty neat.